In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate your WooCommerce checkout page. This task is essential if you want to provide a seamless shopping experience for customers who speak different languages. So, let's get started with the steps to easily translate text on your WooCommerce checkout page. The first thing you're going to need is a plugin called Loco Translate. Start by installing and activating this plugin. If you're not quite sure how to do this, don't worry, it's quite straightforward. Simply head over to the plugins section of your WordPress dashboard, and from there, click on Add New. Once you're in the Add New Plugins section, you'll want to use the search bar. Type in Loco Translate, and you should see it pop up in the search results. Go ahead and click on the Install Now button. After it's installed, be sure to activate it so you can start using its functionalities right away. Now that you have Loco Translate set up and ready, let's move on to the WooCommerce specific translation. Navigate to Loco Translate within your WordPress dashboard. Under the Loco Translate menu, you should see an option that says Plugins. Click on that, and then select WooCommerce from the list that appears. This will bring up the translation options available specifically for your WooCommerce plugin. The next step is to select the language you wish to translate to. If your language is already listed, simply click on it. If it's not there yet, no worries. You can easily add one by clicking on New Language. This will allow you to create a new set of translations for your desired language. After you've selected your language, click on Edit next to it. This will direct you to a page where you can start working with specific translation strings. In the search bar on this page, input any string of text from your WooCommerce checkout page that you want to change. For example, you might want to translate phrases like billing details or place order. Once you've entered the string you're looking to translate, click on it when it appears in the list. This will allow you to input the translated version of that text in the box provided. After you've entered your translations, it's very important to remember to hit the Save button. Saving ensures that all your hard work is not lost and that the translations are implemented on your website. And that's it. With these simple steps, you should be able to translate your WooCommerce checkout page effectively. Providing translations enhances your customers' experience, making it easier for them to complete their purchases and come back for more. Thanks for following along, and happy translating.